Hi everyone. Today we are cooking a chicken stew with 1 kilogram of broiler chicken. First, switch on the lever of your Greenergy cook stove and pull out the canister. If your canister is empty, please fill in 1 liter of Greenergy ethanol fuel. Always make sure you store the fuel away from fire and children. Now go ahead and fill the fuel into the canister slowly to avoid spillage and then wipe off the excess. Now open the lid of your Greenergy pressure cooker. Now we light the stove. Do not leave matchsticks on the canister so it stays clean and doesn't clog up. Then wait 5 to 10 seconds before pushing the canister in firmly. Make sure it is locked in place. Then go ahead and add a little bit of cooking oil and start frying some onions. Once the onions browned up a bit, you can go ahead and add the rest of your vegetables. Keep frying for a minute before adding your spices of choice. We used garlic, ginger, turmeric, chicken stock powder, and salt. Then you can add your chicken pieces. Then add your chicken pieces and fry everything together before adding 3 cups of water. Before closing the pressure cooker, please always ensure that the pressure nozzle is clean. You can hold it in front of a light source and see if light passes through. To close the pressure cooker, align the arrow on the lid with the handle of the body. Then turn it, squeeze both handles together and lock it in place. Once it is cooking and you hear the first whistle, you should reduce the lever of the stove to half. This will help to save fuel since the pressure is already built up inside the cooker. After 12 minutes, we are switching off the stove. To ensure it is really off, please switch it on and off again. Allow the pressure cooker to cool down by itself for 20 minutes. This will cook the meat even further without consuming fuel. Now the chicken is fully cooked. Our total cooking time was 22 minutes and we used 140 milliliters of fuel. This adds up to a cooking cost of only 560 Ugandan shillings. Save time and reduce costs with our innovative cooking solution, a combination of our ethanol cook stoves and pressure cookers. Thank you for watching and welcome to the Greenergy family.